Select Kia EVs have a vehicle-to-load or V2L feature. V2L is designed to allow owners to power various electrical devices using the high-voltage battery. With vehicle-to-load, you can power devices like a Bluetooth speaker, portable refrigerator, lights, and more. From the infotainment system home screen, select the EV widget, EV settings, and select Electricity Use Settings. Here, you can set the V2L to stop when the battery charge reaches a certain level. When the vehicle reaches that limit, it is designed to automatically cut off the supply of electricity. A message will appear stating V2L has ended. Battery level has reached the set value. V2L is also designed to stop when there is excessive power use. To use vehicle-to-load, plug in the V2L adapter into the vehicle's charging port. Open the charger inlet cover and insert an extension cord or a power cord. Close the cover, then press the switch on the V2L connector. The light will turn on, indicating it's ready to power your devices. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!